Welcome back to Money Minds Hub. Ready to make money online in 2024? Stick around. The digital world offers endless opportunities to earn. From YouTube to Etsy and Fiverr, there's something for everyone. The gig economy is booming. Now is the perfect time to start your online venture. Education is key. Use online courses and webinars to gain the skills you need. Plan your goals and develop a solid business plan to stay focused. Build a strong online presence with professional profiles on social media. Create high-quality content to engage your audience and build a following. Track your progress with analytics to optimize your strategy. Celebrate your successes, stay motivated, and keep learning. Stay tuned to Money Minds Hub for more tips and inspiration. Let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet. Our first money-making method is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you connect with clients worldwide. Freelancing offers a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and talents to earn money on your own terms. Whether you are a writer, designer, developer, or have expertise in any other field, there is a demand for your services. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide a marketplace where freelancers can showcase their portfolios, bid on projects, and communicate with potential clients. These platforms have millions of users, which means there is a vast pool of opportunities available. You can find projects that match your skill set and work with clients from different parts of the world, giving you a chance to build a diverse portfolio and gain international experience. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and work from anywhere. This means you can create a work-life balance that suits you, whether you prefer working from home, a coffee shop, or while traveling. Additionally, freelancing allows you to be your own boss, giving you the freedom to make decisions about your work and career. To get started with freelancing, it's important to create a strong profile on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant work samples. Take the time to craft a compelling pitch when bidding on projects, and be sure to communicate clearly and professionally with clients. Building a good reputation and receiving positive reviews can help you secure more projects and grow your freelancing business over time. In conclusion, freelancing is a viable and flexible way to make money. By leveraging platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can connect with clients worldwide, work on projects that interest you, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. So, if you have a skill or talent, consider exploring the world of freelancing and start your journey towards financial independence. Affiliate marketing is an easy way to start earning by promoting products through your unique links. Turn your knowledge into profit by creating online courses on platforms like Teachable. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be risky but rewarding. Remember to do your research. Content creation like YouTube or blogging offers endless earning potential as your audience grows. Thanks for watching Money Minds Hub. We hope you found our tips and strategies helpful in your journey towards financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and explore in the world of personal finance. From budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement, our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions about your money. We believe that financial literacy is the key to achieving your goals and living the life you want. In this video, we covered a variety of methods to help you manage your finances more effectively. We discussed the importance of setting clear financial goals, creating a realistic budget, and tracking your spending. We also explored different investment options and strategies to grow your wealth over time. We encourage you to take action and start implementing these tips in your daily life. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Your feedback is important to us, and we love hearing about your successes and challenges. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more videos from Money Minds Hub, where we continue to bring you the best advice and insights on managing your money. Until next time, take care and happy saving. Welcome back to Money Minds Hub. Before we wrap up, we have one more exciting segment for you. Additional ways to make money online. If you're looking to diversify your income streams, these options might be exactly what you need. First up, dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. You simply partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. Next, we have print on demand. This is perfect for creative individuals who want to design custom merchandise. You create the designs, and a third-party company prints and ships the products for you. Third on the list is virtual assistant services. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, and you can offer your services remotely from anywhere in the world. If you're social media savvy, consider social media management. Help businesses grow their online presence by managing their social media accounts, creating content, and engaging with their audience. Podcasting is another fantastic way to generate income. With compelling content and a growing audience, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, ads, and listener donations. For the crafty among you, selling handmade crafts online can be a rewarding venture. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to reach a global audience with your unique creations. Stock photography is ideal for photographers looking to sell their images. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time they are downloaded. App development is a lucrative field for those with programming skills. Create and sell your own apps or offer your services to businesses looking to develop custom applications. Online tutoring is a great option if you have expertise in a particular subject. Teach students from around the world through platforms like Tutor.com or VIPKid. Finally, consider starting your own e-commerce store. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up an online store and sell products directly to consumers. These are just a few more ideas to expand your online income. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication and creativity, you can find the perfect fit for your skills and interests. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found these additional tips helpful. Stay inspired and keep exploring new opportunities. Until next time, happy hustling.